In this video, I'll show you how to turn on auto blocker on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26, or any other Samsung device. Auto blocker is a powerful security feature that helps protect your phone from malware, suspicious activity, and unauthorized apps. Enabling this feature can help keep your personal data and device safe from potential threats. Let's see how to enable it and what benefits it provides. First, open the app drawer and tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Now scroll down and look for the option called Auto Blocker. Tap on it. Here you can turn on Auto Blocker to activate this security feature on your Samsung device. When enabled, Auto Blocker helps protect your phone in several ways. First, it blocks apps from unauthorized sources. This means apps can only be installed from trusted stores like the Google Play Store or Samsung Galaxy Store, helping prevent malicious apps from being installed. Second, it blocks harmful commands through USB connections. If you connect your phone to a charger, a computer, or a USB cable, Auto Blocker will help prevent suspicious commands from accessing your device. Third, it checks for malware in apps and files, including potentially harmful content hidden in images or applications. Another important feature is blocking unofficial software updates. This prevents the installation of system software that hasn't been certified by Samsung, which helps protect your device from unsafe firmware or modifications. Also, set the auto blocker to turn on automatically 30 minutes after it is turned off. You'll also find an option called Maximum Restrictions. When enabled, this adds extra protection by turns on app protection, block device admin apps, blocking 2G network connections, preventing auto reconnect to unsafe Wi-Fi networks, adding additional security restrictions for apps and data, removing location data from photos when sharing. You can customize these settings depending on how much protection you want on your device. Auto Blocker is a great feature if you want extra security and protection against malware or suspicious activity on your Samsung Galaxy device. And that's it! You've successfully enabled Auto Blocker on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.